Why do we only use Black Book, and how is Black Book different, better, and more accurate than all other books for car valuations? In today's show, we'll answer that question, and at the end, we'll share a few more details on the launch of our Wholesale Car Purchasing Program and how you can get involved. Hi, I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, and right across the way from me is the amazing Elizabeth, the Homework Gal. Why do we always use the word homework in everything we teach? Because at the center of every successful car purchase was a ton of homework. Educated buyers don't get swindled, and it was always homework that got them into a good car deal. But today, we're presenting you with some homework to do on Black Book and a few of the not-so-great competitors out there. We share our thoughts free of any entanglements or financial obligation to any of these organizations. We've seen what works and why, so today, we're going to tell you why.
First, a little background on Black Book. The Black Book family of vehicle appraisal guides in the United States providing vehicle pricing data is published by National Auto Research, a division of Hearst Communications. Funny how there's always layers of ownership, right?
Right.
New and used car dealers, lenders, manufacturers, fleet remarketers, and even many government agencies have used Black Book since 1955. It grew the fastest of all the book values out there because it quickly became known for its accuracy. In any car market, but especially today, accuracy means everything. Today, it's no mistake that Black Book has over 30,000 dealer members nationwide, which is more than double what the likes of KBB or NADA or JD Power have. This is why we choose Black Book too, and I love using it.
Of the competing vehicle book valuations out there, here are the founding years and some details about each. At position number 1, Black Book was founded in 1955. It is widely known for providing accurate valuation information for the automotive industry with a focus on wholesale and residual values, primarily serving dealers and financial institutions because it's a subscription access only.
Yeah.
Thankfully, it's here on the Homework Guide channel that you, the consumer, can also get access to Black Book value information. If you'd like fast service with bookouts, become at least a $29.99 Homework Guy Help member here on our channel, and Liz turns those bookouts out pretty fast for you.
Ranked at number 2 is KBB, Kelley Blue Book. This car book service dates back to 1926, when Les Kelley, a car dealer, first created a list of automobile values. Kelley Blue Book, widely known as KBB, has become one of the most popular sources for vehicle pricing and information. But popularity doesn't mean accuracy. It's popular with consumers mostly because KBB made book values available to the general public. Of course, that draws a crowd, but there happens to be a dealer book version which has different info and numbers than the consumer information. Why would they do this? That's a great question for KBB. Why tell consumers one story and dealers another? But their ownership record is sort of an answer. After being started by Les Kelley, a dealer, in 1926. Years later, KBB was acquired by Auto Trader, which is a subsidiary of Cox Automotive. These big automotive companies are not known for transparency. After its acquisition, KBB operated as a subsidiary of Auto Trader, but is now widely known to be under the Cox Automotive umbrella.
Hanging out at the number 3 position, JD Power was established in 1968 by JD Dave Power III. It is known for its customer satisfaction research and car ratings. At one point, JD Power stood on its own 2 feet, but in July of 2015, in a bad move that I think totally destroyed their credibility, they joined forces with the scumbags at NADA.
Yeah.
They acquired NADA guides to be under the JD Power roof, which is exactly why NADA's home links just automatically go to JD Power. They don't even have good information on NADA anymore. They are 2 bedfellows.
Well, rightfully dead last at number 4 is NADA, the National Automobile Dealers Association, the organization we have launched a boycott against. They were founded in 1917. NADA is hardly worth a mention here now because it's been totally taken over by JD Power. NADA is a trade association which has only represented the crooked interests of franchised new car and truck dealerships in the United States. NADA also provides a variety of services to used car dealers, including valuation tools. NADA is the biggest, unapologetically anti-consumer organization, which is actively defending unscrupulous car dealers in court right now.
You might think we're using harsh words to describe the scumbag thugs over at NADA. To that, I'd say absolutely not.
No.
The only reason the implementation date of the FTC CARS rule was paused is because of an entirely anti-consumer lawsuit NADA filed to tie up the FTC in court and delay the CARS rule implementation. They don't want consumers getting fair treatment. Let me explain. To that end, they are using every legal means possible to stop the CARS rule from preventing the deceptiveness you're often treated to, in the effort to aid the undeniable thievery that unscrupulous dealers engage in. Now, it's not just those lousy dealers that must be stopped, but so must NADA, and by jumping into bed with NADA, J.D. Power is in the exact same boat. They all just totally suck.
Well, Black Book, on the other hand, is highly regarded in the automotive industry for its accuracy and comprehensiveness in vehicle valuations, especially among professionals in the automotive sector such as dealers, lenders, and auction houses, and that includes us. While using the word best can be subjective, several features contribute to Black Book's reputation for accuracy and reliability. Kevin?
Black Book has the most frequent updates.
Yes.
Black Book updates its vehicle prices on a weekly basis, reflecting the most current market conditions. This frequency ensures that users have access to the latest, greatest data, which is crucial in the fast-moving automotive market, where prices can fluctuate significantly due to economic factors, seasonal trends, and supply and demand shifts.
Black Book is loaded with comprehensive market data. Black Book gathers its data from a wide range of sources, including auction results, dealership transactions, and market analysis. We've read through many of their reports, and they are definitely some of the best that there are. This extensive data collection allows Black Book to provide detailed insights into vehicle values across many segments and conditions, from nearly new to well-used vehicles.
Now, notice that Liz just mentioned dealer transactions. Those are actually the selling prices of vehicles, not the asking price. Mm-hmm. Black Book focuses on wholesale prices. Black Book is particularly noted for its focus on wholesale prices, making it a critical tool for dealers and financial institutions that need to understand the value of vehicles in the trade and auction environments. This focus helps users make informed decisions by buying, selling, and financing vehicles.
Black Book has specialized tools and reports. Beyond standard vehicle valuation, Black Book offers specialized tools and reports for different market segments, including automotive, finance, and insurance industries. These tools help users assess the risk, forecast future valuations, and understand market trends.
While KBB has won the popularity contest, as Liz pointed out earlier, Black Book has earned industry trust. Due to its accuracy and robustness of its data, Black Book has earned a strong reputation and solid trust within the automotive industry. This trust leads many professionals to rely on Black Book for critical business decisions related to purchasing, lending, and insurance underwriting.
Black Book has always been adaptable to technology. Black Book has embraced technology, offering digital and mobile tools that provide instant access to vehicle valuations and market insights. This adaptability to technology meets the modern needs of users who require immediate information for decision making. I absolutely love reading and using this aspect of Black Book, and I frequently share these market highlights with viewers requesting info and with all of you in the shows here that we do.
Black Book visits 60 auctions nationwide every week to gather the used car values. That's commitment that's tough to match for anyone.
Oh, yeah.
Black Book professionals collect data from wholesale auctions they attend in person or online, applying adjustments and comparing them against dealer advertised prices every week. Boom, there you have it. That's why we use Black Book to help all of you evaluate a correct price for any used car in the market. And with the shortcomings of all the other competitors, there's zero chance we'd ever change that.
It's important to note that while Black Book is highly valued for its accuracy and detailed approach to vehicle valuation, because it's subscription only, it's unfortunately not available for free to consumers. For those reasons, sometimes people might find it easier to use other guides like Kelley Blue Book, NADA, or Edmunds. The choice among these valuation guides often depends on the context in which the valuation is being used and the specific market segment being addressed. For us, the accuracy of Black Book is everything. We don't really like all the gray area and guesswork involved in the other car book valuation competitors.
For anyone wondering what is the quickest and easiest way to gain access to Black Book values for a used car, Liz, what do you say?
Well, you can click on that join button below the video and select Homework Guy Help for $24.99 or Consults for $49.99. You'll see the official members-only email address. I check that many times throughout the day, and I check it first. Message me there. You'll get an auto response with the exact information of how you need to ask for help, and that's where I get started.
There you have it, friends. Get in touch with Liz today at 701-441-3399. And if you heard about our offer to buy cars for our subscribers at the auction for $1,500 over wholesale cost, you came to the right place. If you text Liz for details, again, 701-441-3399, she will email you the entire outline of what we need to get you into the program. It's first come, first served, and we will help as many as we can. We are done with letting dealers steamroll over our viewers.
If you recently joined the Homework Guy channel as a subscriber, we thank you, appreciate you, and welcome you aboard. And to all of our new channel members, we really love working with you. And for all of you interested in the opportunity to buy used cars just above wholesale prices, first things first, get signed up as a Consults member. With the response that we expect, count yourself lucky if you are chosen and put on the list.
Also, thanks again to our many faithful followers who just keep coming back. And friends, do us a favor today. Make an effort to reach out to family and friends, and let's see a huge boost to our subscriber count. We're going to start sending out free garments like a hoodie or free t-shirt, your choice, to all the people who can show you've acquired 5 or more subscriber referrals. A special thank you to all of our longtime subscribers out there. You guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off with amazing Elizabeth, the Homework Gal. The Homework Guy team is serving truth, justice, and transparency in the car business and always will. We are changing the landscape of the car business. But for now, we've got to go.
You can't go. All the plants are going to die.